I'm Amy Serrano and I'm going to be sharing one of my favorite lip products, the Tatcha Kissu Lip Mask. This luxurious, soothing, jelly-like lip mask is so perfect for anybody out there. This helps to seal in any moisture. All of those little fine lines that you have in your lips, the cracks, the flakes are diminished significantly. This just helps to boost that shine and health. It's actually repairing and restoring your lips because it's packed with all of these nourishing ingredients, vitamins A, B, D, E, all of these omegas, as well as the Japanese camellia oil that Tatcha is just so known for. So the way that I like to use this is right before bed, I'll slather on an even generous amount to my dry lips with my little Tatcha gold spoon that it comes with. So chic. And I will just go to sleep. It's that easy. When I wake up, I'm left with visibly plumper lips. They look so healthy, moisturized, not only just at night for reparative purposes, but in the daytime it does have this really nice sheen, so I like to wear it alone as lip balm. Or my favorite way is on top of lip stains and liquid lipsticks that are just known to suck the lives out of our lips, right? So definitely give it a try. If you have dry lips, your lips are gonna thank you.